Hello students, I am back with a logarithmic inequality as requested by you all. You all have requested me to make a video on logarithmic inequality. So I am going to make this video. Be attentive, have a pen and paper, and then try to understand the things. In case you have any problem, you can give me a call or WhatsApp me, or you can give me the SMS and everything. So we are going to start logarithmic inequality. So first case, if log base a x is greater than log base a 1. If a is greater than 1, then there is no change in the sign in that index. X is greater than 1. Second case, if a lies in between 0 to 1, then equality will change in index. It will be less than x will be less than 1. Second, if log base ax is greater than equal to log base ay, and first case, if a greater than 1, there is no change in the inequality in index. Second, if a lies in between 0 to 1, then x will be less than equal to y. Similarly, in third case, if log ax is less than log ay, if a greater than 1, then x will be less than y, and if a is less than 1 greater than 0, so x will be greater than y. Fourth case, if log base ax is less than equal to log base ay, and if a greater than 1, there is no change in the inequality in the index. While if a less than 1 and greater than 0, then x will be greater than equal to y. Now, if log base AB is greater than c, first case, if a greater than 1, then b will be greater than a to the power c. If a lies in between 0 to 1, then b will be less than a to the power c. Sixth case, if log AB is less than c, first, if a is greater than 1, then there is no change in the inequality, and if a less than 1 greater than 0, then equality will change and it will be a to the power c. Similarly, you can see that here equality sign is not there. If equality sign is there, then we can put the equality sign here also and here also. In this case also, you are saying that there is no inequality sign here. If equality sign would have been there, then we would have placed plus equality sign here and equality sign here. So these are the some formulas of inequality of logarithm that you have to follow while solving the questions. So now we are moving to solve the questions. First question, find x if log base 3x is greater than 2x greater than 3. So you can see here the base is 2, which is greater than 1. So we can open it like x, there is no change in this. So this will be x is greater than 2 to the power 3. It means x is greater than 8. So x will be from 8 to infinity. Similarly, find x if log base 2x is greater than equal to 3. So here also you can see that base is greater than 1. So it is x to the power 3. So x is greater than 2 to the power 3, it means 8. So x is from 8 to infinity. Similarly, third case, find x if log base 2x less than 4. So you can see that it is less than base is greater than 1. So x is less than 2 to the power 4. 8 means 2 to the power 4 means to the power 16. And means you know that here x is greater than 0 because you know index is always greater than 0. So x is from 0 to 16. Why? Because index is always greater than 0. So we'll take the common solution. So you can use this. Similarly, if log base 1 by 2 x is greater than log base 1 by 2 5. So now you see the base is less than 1. So there will be change in the inequality. X will be less than 5 and index will be greater than 0. So answer is from 0 to 5. Similarly, if log base 1 by 2 x is greater than is less than equal to log base 1 by 2 3. So base is 1 by 2, here base is 1 by 2. So inequality sign will change. So x is from 3 to infinity. So these are the small questions which are based on the very basic concept. So you can solve these questions using that concept. Now we are going for some bigger and good questions. Find x if log 0.3 x square plus 8 is greater than log 0.3 9x. Now you can see the base is 0.3 which is less than 1. So as I have discussed in the property list that whenever the base is less than 1, inequality sign in index will change. So x square plus 8 will be less than 9x. So x square minus 9x plus 8 less than 0. So x square minus 8 as just we are factorizing it. So x we are taking common, x minus 8 or x minus 8 less than 0. So x minus 8, x minus 1 less than 0. We are using wavy curve method to find out the solution of this inequality as we have discussed in our earlier video. So you can see that x is in between 1 to 8. So this is the answer in this case. While solving the inequality, you must have to see the base of the logarithm. That decides the inequality. So you have to be cautious while solving this type of questions. Moving to next. Log 0.3 x minus 1 less than log 0.09 x minus 1. Now see, base is different here. So our first target is to make base same. Here it is 0.3 and here it is 0.09. So we can see that log 0.3 x minus 1 less than log 0.3 whole square x minus 1. So we are using this property of logarithm a to the power m and b to the power n. So n upon m log base ab. So as per this property, we can write it like this. It is a 1 by 2 log 0.3 x minus 1. Then this 1 by 2 will go to the power of x minus 1 less than log 0.3 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now you can see the base is less than 1. So inequality sign in index will change. So squaring it is greater than x minus 1. So x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 greater than 0. So x minus 1 we are taking common, x minus 1 minus 1 greater than 0. So x minus 1, x minus 2 greater than 0. Now we'll use the wavy curve technique to find this inequality, positive, positive, negative. So x is from minus infinity to 1 a union 2 to infinity. But we can see that this index must be greater than 0, x minus 1 should be greater than 0, so x should be greater than 1. So this case gets cancelled, only this is going to be the answer. So x is from 2 to infinity. So while solving the problem, it is very much necessary to see the inequality sign here in the index, because index must be greater than 0, right? So we are moving to the next question. If log base 1 by 3 log 4 x square minus 5 greater than 0. Now, before solving this problem, we have to understand the criticality of this question and what are the factors we have to look before solving this question. Now you see that this is the index of this logarithm. So as for the index, x power minus 5 should be greater than 0. It means x plus root 5, x minus root 5 should be greater than 0. It means x is from minus infinite to minus root 5, a union root 5 to infinity. We are using a wavy curve technique to find out. You know that we have discussed in our earlier video. Now this is the condition number 1. Second, this is also going to be the index of this logarithm. So log 4 x square minus 5 must be greater than 0. Since base is 4, so x power minus 5 is greater than 4 to the power 0. So x square minus 5 greater than 1. So x square minus 6 greater than 0. So x plus root 6. X minus root 6 is greater than 0. The solution is from minus infinite to minus root 6 union root 6 to infinity. This is the second solution which we have to consider while finalizing. Now we are coming to solve this question. Now this is this base is less than 1. So inequality sign will change. X square minus 5 will be less than 1 by 3 to the power 0. So log base 4 x square minus 5 is less than 1. Now base is greater than 1, so there will be no change in the equality sign. So x square minus 9 less than 0. So x plus 3, x minus 3 will be less than 0. So x lies in between minus 3 and 3. So this is the third solution. Now we have to find out the solution of common solution of 2, 3 and 4. So we are taking common solution over here. Minus root 6, minus root 5, minus 3. Then we'll consider root 5, root 6, then 3. Here infinite, here minus infinite. So first condition is from minus infinite to minus root 5 and root 5 to infinity. Second, from minus infinite to minus root 6 and from root 6 to this. And here the solution is from minus 3 to 3. So we can see this is the common portion and this is the common portion. So solution is from minus 3 to minus root 6 union root 6 to 3. So now you can understand how the inequality problem are being solved using the properties. Now we are moving to next question. X to the power log base 10x is greater than 10, then find x. How to find x? So in this case, what we are going to take, we are taking log both sides. So you know that base and index is same, so value will be equal to 1, and this is 8 the power, so it will come this side. Log base 10x. Log base 10x is greater than 1. Now let log base 10x equals to t. So t square is greater than 1. So t minus 1 or t plus 1 greater than 0. So t is from minus infinite to minus 1, a union 1 to infinite. Now it means t is less than minus 1 or t is greater than 1. So we are taking t log base 10x less than minus 1 or log base 10x greater than 1. So you can see that it is 10 to the power minus 1 or x is greater than 10. But you can see that here x, this has to be greater than 0. So we are taking common solution of it. This is saying 1 by 10, 0 and 10. It is going up to minus infinity and it is infinity. So first one is from minus infinity to this and from here to this, and this is from 0 to this. So our solution is going to be this. So So x is from 0 to 1 by 10, a union 10 to infinity. This is how the solution is moving. Okay, I think you must have written it. Now we are moving to next question. Find x if log x2 into log 2x2 into log 2 4x is greater than 1. So now it's a good question and it's a ITZ level question. You must have seen somewhere. Now for solving this question you must have to make base same. So for making base same, we are using this property. Log AB can be written as 1 upon log BA, because base will become index and index will become base when we write the reciprocal of it. So this we can write as like this, 2x into 1 upon log 2x, and this will remain same. So log 2 4 plus log 2x upon log 2x into log 2 plus log 2x, and that is greater than 1. So you can see this, that this will be equal to 2 plus log 2x upon log 2x into 1 plus log 2x greater than 1. Now let t is equal to log base 2x. Then it is 2 plus t upon t plus 1 is greater than 1. So t plus 2 upon t plus 1 minus 1 is greater than 0. So we are taking LCM, minus t square minus t upon t into t plus 1 greater than 0. T and t gets cancelled. We are taking minus common. T square minus 2 upon t plus 1 greater than 0. Multiplying both sides by minus, inequality will change. This we can write as t plus root 2, t minus root 2 upon t plus 1 less than 0. Now we are taking, this is a minus root 2, minus 1, 0, root 2, infinite and minus infinite. So we can use Webby-Curve method as we have discussed in previous videos, positive, 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 negative, negative. It means t lies in between minus root 2 to minus 1, a union, a 0 to root 2. So if you take log 2x lies in between minus 1 and minus root 2, then x will lie to the power minus 1 and 2 to the power minus root 2. Similarly, when log 2x is less than root 2 and greater than 0, so x lies 2 to 2 and 2 to the power 0. So x is from 2 to the power minus root 2 to the power minus 1, a union of 1 to 2 power root 2. So this is going to be the final answer. So now you can see how Webby-Curve method is used in various type of questions. So in logarithm inequality also we are largely using the Webby-Curve method concept. So Webby-Curve, you have to be very clear about the Webby-Curve method. You can watch my earlier videos on Webby-Curve method. Now we are moving to the next question. Find x if log 5x plus 4 x square is less than log 5x plus 4 2x plus 3. In previous questions, we have discussed the log based question having base a fixed number, but here in the base is x, any variable is going to be there. Then how to solve this kind of problem? So before starting the solving already, we have to see the inequality is affected here. So first of all, x squared, this is the index, must be greater than 0. So x can take all real values except 0. Second, 2x plus 3. Here also we can see should be greater than 0. So x should be greater than minus 3 by 2. Third, 5x plus 4 should be greater than 0. And 5x plus 4 should not be equal to 1. So x must be greater than minus 4 by 5 and x should not be equal to minus 3 by 5. So these are the inequalities which has to be followed before solving the question. So first we are going to see case 1. If 5x plus 4 greater than 1, it means it is greater than minus 3, x is greater than minus 3 by 5. Now we are going to solve. Once we have announced that 5x plus 4 greater than 1, so there will be no change in the inequality of the index. So x square will be less than 2x plus 3 as it is. X square minus 2x minus 3 less than equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 less than equal to 0. So x we are taking common. So x minus 3, x plus 1 less than equal to 0. So x lies in between minus 1 and 3. So you can see what are the criticalities we have to understand. This, and all this. This and this and this. So we are making a common solution number line. We are putting the values say for minus 1, then minus 4 by 5, minus 3 by 5, and minus 3 by 2, and we are using 3. Here it is a minus infinite to infinite. So just you can see the first one says R will take all the values except 0. Second one says it should be greater than minus 3 by 2. Third one says it should be greater than minus 4 by 5 and it will not be equal to minus 3 by 5 because we have mentioned that x cannot be equal to minus 3 by 5. Now in this case also we can see that x is from minus 3 by 5. Now our solution is from minus 1 solid dot to 3 solid dot. Now you can see the common portion. The common portion is here to here except for 0. So we can see this is the common solution. So in this case the common solution is x is from minus 3 by 5 to 0 union 0 to 3 close at 3. Now we are going for case 2. If 5x plus 4 less than 1 and greater than 0. So you can see minus 4, 5x is less than 1 minus 4. We are subtracting 4 from all the three sides. So 5x is less than minus 3 and greater than minus 4. So x lies between minus 3 by 5 and greater than minus 4 by 5. Then when this is in between 0 to 1, the inequality will change. X square will be greater than 2x plus 3. So x square minus 2x minus 3 greater than equal to 0. So this is x minus 3, x plus 1 greater than equal to 0. So you can see that x is from minus infinite to minus 1 a union 3 to infinity. So we are taking again common solution. We are putting minus 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Here it is minus 1 and here it is 3 to infinite and minus infinite. So in this case the minus 4 by 5 to minus 3 by 5, it is from minus infinite to minus 1 and 3 to infinity. So there is no portion common. No portion common. So no solution in this case. Solution in this case. So whatever solution this we have got, that is going to be the final answer. So with this I have explained every aspect of logarithmic inequality with the help of suitable examples. We have utilized a wavy curve method as well. so you can understand. And if you are feeling any problem in wavy curve method, you can refer my video also. And keep watching. Wish you all the best for this video.